This is what happens when you give your child so much sugar.
This is what happens when your child never has sugar and finally gets a piece of chocolate. You're so silly. Thank you for the coffee.
He wants to go now.
Why? I don't like when my feet are tickled.
No, Nikki,
Tickles
I know
me.
there was one day we were sitting on the sofa, and I went to tickle her feet. She told me, "Don't tickle my feet, don't tickle my feet."
Because it tickles too much. Now she has so much energy, she
Yeah.
needs to use it. Why don't you go run around the house? You want to run? Do you want to go climb a mountain with me? You're silly. Say bye.
Tickle my feet again.
No, say bye.